Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can rename a file right here in our Google Sheet. Yes, very important. If you notice, we have several files right here, so we want to actually rename. So what you can do, you put the cursor on it and right click. If you notice it's a rename, remove, right, open a new tab, available offline. So we're going to click right here and rename. Now when you click on rename, this is what come up. So I'm gonna put maths instead of that, and then come like that, and then notice right yes sir, cancel, okay, click, and there you go. So this is where we actually rename a file right in Google Sheet. This one we can also do the same thing for this one. Alright, I can this one as group, and then when I finish, press that. So this is where we actually rename a file right here in the Google Sheet. It's very important. So remember, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.